I am discussing today linear differential equation. Linear differential equation. Please, you can note down the topic linear differential equation. Linear differential equation. A equation in the form of dy of dx plus py is equal to q. This is known as a linear differential equation. Is called linear differential equation. This is called a linear differential equation where P and Q are the function of x, or known as constant, constant. Let dy of dx plus py is equal to q. This is equation number first. Now multiple e to the power integral p into dx on both sides in equation first. Now you can write integration e to the power p dx bracket dy of dx plus py is equal to q into e to the power integral p into dx. Now you can write, we can write d of dx e to the power integral p into dx is equal to q into e to the power integration p into dx. Or you can note y into e to the power p into dx into q into e to the power p dx, or you can write d of dx bracket y into e to the power integration p into dx is equal to q into e to the power integration p into dx. Now integrate equation number second. In equation second, you can find y into e to the power p into dx is equal to integral q into e to the power integration p dx into dx or plus c. If y into if is equal to integral q into if into dx plus c. This is a solution of linear differential equation where IF is known as where IF is known as integrating factor. IF is known as integrating factor where IF is equal to e to the power integration p into dx. Then the solution of then the solution of linear differential equation linear differential equation linear differential equation is y into if is equal to integration q into if into dx plus c. This is a solution of any linear differential equation where if is equal to this. If is equal to e to the power integration p into dx. Now you can write this. This is an important for down. Example number first. Solve the differential equation. Solve the differential equation. Differential equation. If you can note down dy of dx plus y cot x is equal to cos x. This is a differential equation, linear differential equation. Now the solution of this problem. Now you can note down. We have dy of dx plus y cot x is equal to cos x. Now comparing in this is equation number first in linear differential equation dy of dx plus py is equal to q where p is equal to cot x and q is equal to cos x. Now you can first find out the if integrating factor. If is equal to e to the power integration p into dx. Now you can write if is equal to integration e to the power integration cot x into dx because p is a cot x and q is a cos x. Now you can write e to the power log sin x. Now you can write if is equal to sin x. Now the solution of linear differential equation first you can write y into if is equal to integration q into if into dx plus c. Now you can put all the value of if and q. Now you can write y into sin if y into sin x integration you put the value of q is equal to cos x. Now you can write cos x into put the value of if is equal to sin x into dx plus c. Now you can write y sin x is equal to 1 by 2 integration 2 sin x into cos x plus c into dx plus c. Now you can write y sin x is equal to 1 by 2 integration sin 2x dx plus c. Now you can write y into sin x is equal to 1 by 4 minus cos 2x plus c. This is a solution of differential equation, linear differential equation. First, you can note down step by step this numerical. This is important for your examination. Now you continue to the next numerical. If you have any problem, please comment to my video. Thank you. Example number second, you can note down solution of linear differential equation. If x cos x dy of dx plus y x cos x x sin x plus cos x is equal to 1. This is a differential equation. Now the solution of this problem, you can write, we have x cos x dy of dx plus y x sin x plus cos x is equal to 1. Now you can write dy of dx plus y divided to this function by this function. Now you can write tan x plus 1 by x is equal to 1 upon x cos x. Now you can write dy of dx plus y 1 by x plus tan x is equal to 1 by x sec x. This is a equation number first. You can write. Now to comparing in equation first by linear differential equation by dy of dx plus py is equal to q. Now you can find p is equal to 1 by x plus tan x and q is equal to 1 by x sec x. Now you can first find if. If is equal to e to the power integral p into dx. Now you can write e to the power integration 1 by x plus tan x into dx. Now you can write e to the power e to the power bracket log x plus log sec x. Now you can write e to the power log x into sec x. It means x into sec x. This is your if. Now you can write if is equal to x into sec x. Now the solution of linear differential equation first. You can write y into if is equal to integral q into if into dx plus c. Now you can write all the value put of the if and q. If is equal to x sec x is equal to integration. Put the value of q. This means 1 by x, 1 by x sec x into if x sec x dx plus c. Now you can write xy sec x is equal to integration sec square x dx plus c. Now you can write xy sec x is equal to tan x plus c. Now you can write xy is equal to sin x plus c into cos x. This is a solution of linear differential equation first. This is a solution of linear differential equation first. You can write this. This is a very important numerical for your examination. You can write, note down this numerical. Thank you. I am continue to the previous topic, solution of homogeneous linear differential equation. Now next topic is equation reducible to the linear differential equation. Linear differential form. First, you let if the differential equation in the form of dy of dx plus py is equal to q y to the power n is called equation reducible to the homogeneous form, where p and q only the function of x. P and q are the constant, Now you can reduce this differential equation to the homogeneous form or a linear differential equation. First, you can write we have dy of dx plus py is equal to q y to the power n. Now 1 by y to the power n dy of dx plus p y upon y to the power n is equal to q. Now you can write 1 by y to the power n py of dx plus p upon y to the power n minus 1 is equal to q. Now you let Now you can write this equation. Now let 1 upon y to the power n minus 1 is equal to z. You can write differential with respect to x. Now you can write 1 minus n y to the power minus n dy of dx is equal to dz of dx. Now you can write 1 upon y to the power n dy of dx is equal to 1 upon 1 minus n dz upon dx. You can put these value in this differential equation. This is differential equation number first. Now putting these value in equation first, you can write 1 by 1 minus n dz of dx is equal to plus pz is equal to q. Now you can write dz of dx plus 1 minus n tz is equal to 1 minus n q. This is a linear differential equation. This is a linear differential equation. Now the solution of this differential equation. Now the solution of this differential equation. Now the solution of differential equation, you can write z into if is equal to integral q into if into dx plus c, where z is equal to 1 upon y to the power n minus 1, where z is equal to y to the power n minus 1. The non-homogeneous linear differential equation is reducible to the homogeneous differential equation. And now again, to find the general solution of the differential equation by the linear differential equation, first order of first degree method, you can write this. Please, you can note down this method. Now I am discuss some numericals related to this topic. Now I am continue to this topic, equation reducible to the linear differential equation. You can note down some numericals. First numerical, solve the differential equation. If you can note down 3 dy of dx plus 3 y by x is equal to 2 x to the power 4 y to the power 4. Now the solution of this differential equation, first we have 3 dy of dx plus 3 dy of dx is equal to 2 x to the power 4 y to the power 4. Now you can write 3 y to the power 4 dy of dx plus 3 y total upon x y to the power 4 is equal to 2 x to the power 4. Now you can write 3 y to the power 4 dy of dx plus 3 by y to the power 4 3 x is equal to 2 x to the power 4. This is a differential equation first. Now you can take, let 1 upon y to the power 3 is equal to z. Now the differential with respect to x, you can write minus 3y to the power minus 4 is equal to, sorry, into dy of dx is equal to dz upon dx. Now you can write 1 upon y to the power 4 dy of dx is equal to minus 1 upon 3 dz upon dx. Now you can write this. Put all the value in the differential equation first. Putting in equation first, you can write 3 into minus 1 by 3 dz upon dx plus, you can write 3 upon x is equal to 2x to the power 4. 2x to the power 4. Now you can simplify this function. Dz upon dx minus 3 upon x you can write z. Now you can write this means z is equal to 2x to the power 4. 2x to the power 4. Now this is equation number second. Comparing equation second in general differential equation, general linear differential equation. Now where p is equal to, you can write p is equal to minus 3 by x and q is equal to 2x to the power 4. Now you can write, first you can find if. If is equal to e to the power integration p into dx. Now you can write e to the power integration minus 3 upon x into dx. Now you can write e to the power minus 3 log x. Now you can write e to the power log 1 by x to the power 3. This means if is equal to 1 upon x to the power 3. Now the solution of differential equation second, you can write z into if is equal to integral q into if into dx plus c. Now you can put all the value of z and if. Now you can first put the value of z. This means 1 upon y to the power 3 into, put the value of if 1 upon x to the power 3 is equal to integration, put the value of q. This means 2x to the power 4, 2x to the power 4 into, put the value of if. This means 1 upon x to the power 3. Now dx plus c. Now you can integrate this function. You can write 2 into x to the power 2 by 2 plus c. Now you can write 1 upon x to the power 3 y to the power 3 is equal to x square plus c. Now you can write the differential equation is 1 upon x cube y cube is equal to x square plus c. This is a solution of linear differential equation. First, I have reduced the differential equation, linear differential equation form. Now again, let 1 by y is equal to z. Now you can put all the value of z and if. I have find the solution of this differential equation. You can please note down this numerical. This is a very important for your examination. Now I am again next numerical solve to this method. You can note down this numerical. You continue to the second numerical related to the equation reducible to the linear differential form. First, you can note down example number second. To solve the differential equation you can note down the differential equation dy of dx plus y by x log y is equal to y by x square log y to the power 2. This is a differential equation. First, you can reduce the linear differential equation. Now you can solve this numerical. We have, first you note down dy of dx plus y by x log y. You can note down log y is equal to y by x square log y to the power 2. Now you can reduce in a homogeneous form or a linear differential equation form. First you can write 1 upon y log y to the power 2 dy of dx plus y log y total upon x y log y to the power 2 is equal to 1 upon x square. Now you can write 1 upon y log y to the power 2 into dy of dx plus 1 upon x log y is equal to 1 upon x square. Now you can write this is equation number first. Now you reduce to the linear differential form. First we let 1 upon log y is equal to z. Now first differential with respect to x. First you can find the differentiate of 1 by y. This means minus 1 upon y log y to the power 2 into dy of dx is equal to dz of dx. Now you can write 1 upon y log y to the power 2 into dy of dx is equal to minus dz upon dx. Now you can note down this and this. Now you can put this value in the differential equation first. Now putting these value in equation, putting in equation first. Now you can write first, you can write minus dz upon dx plus, now you can write 1 by x into z is equal to 1 by x square. This is a equation number second. This is a homogeneous, this is a linear differential equation. Now you can write dz upon dx minus 1 by x into z is equal to minus 1 upon x. This is a equation number second. This equation is a linear differential form. Now you first compare to the general differential equation. First, to compare equation second in general linear differential equation. Linear differential equation. First you can find P is equal to minus 1 by x and P is equal to minus 1 upon x square. Now you can write x square. X square. Now you can put, first you can find IF, integrating factor. This means e to the power integral p into dx. Now you can write e to the power integral minus 1 by x dx. Now you can find IF is equal to e to the power log 1 by x. Now you can write 1 by x. IF is equal to 1 by x. IF is equal to 1 by x. Now the solution of differential equation second, you can write z into IF is equal to integral q into IF into dx plus c. Now putting the all value of z and IF. First you can put the value of z. Z, this means 1 by log y. Log 1 by y into IF, this means 1 by x is equal to integral. Put the value of q. Q means minus 1 by x square into value of IF, this means 1 by x into dx plus c. Now you can write 1 by x log y is equal to minus integral 1 by x to the power 3 dx plus c. Now you can write minus x to the power minus 2 upon minus 2 plus c. Now you can write 1 by x log y is equal to 1 upon 2 x to the power 2 plus c. This is a solution of linear differential equation. This is a solution of linear differential equation. Please, you can note down this numerical. This numerical is very important for your examination. I am using the equation reducible to the linear differential equation form with the help of let z is equal to 1 upon log y. Thank you.